It is a decision that has been a long time coming. Hello, everyone. I'm David Ushery. Stacey working later today. We're going to begin with that breaking news. After 5 years and a long investigation, countless tears, the Justice Department has decided not to bring any federal charges against Daniel Pantaleo, the NYPD officer accused of the death of Eric Garner. Garner died during an arrest on Staten Island in 2014. His family and friends are outraged at this announcement. And now there's word that there perhaps was a tug of war within the Justice Department. News 4's TRACIE STRAHAN covering it all. She's at the federal courthouse in downtown Brooklyn. TRACIE.
Well, David, you know this is a case that's been emotionally charged from jump, and that certainly happened outside of the building today. Eric Garner's family saying they were blindsided by this decision by the Department of Justice, something that they heard about on social media before they even got inside, and they say something that was inappropriate, especially given that today is the eve of Eric Garner's death.
Federal government does not want to prosecute Pantaleo for killing Eric Garner. If you're not standing with firing Pantaleo, then you're dead for nothing. For nothing. Federal cops don't want to prosecute. Nobody wants to hold nobody accountable. You want us to be calm? You want to say condolences? Your condolences.
A very emotionally charged Emerald Garner SNIPES coming out of the Department of Justice courthouse after learning the decision. We also saw Gwen Carr, Garner's mother, enter the U.S. Attorney's office shortly before the word came out. Now, keep in mind that his family was actually summoned here for a meeting with federal prosecutors who ultimately announced that decision. Daniel Pantaleo's been on desk duty since Eric Garner died during that attempted arrest on Staten Island 5 years ago. Video appeared to show the officer with his arm around Garner's neck in an alleged chokehold that was banned by the NYPD more than 2 decades ago, while other officers held him down. Garner, who had asthma, could be heard on the video repeatedly saying, "I can't breathe." It's something that sparked several protests nationwide. Carr and Reverend Al Sharpton had this to say about this morning's announcement.
Years ago, my son said, "I can't breathe" 11 times. And today we can't breathe because they have let us down.
22 years later with a video evidence, they're going to let a man walk free, which threatens the civil rights of every citizen in this district.
Despite this morning's announcement, NBC News has learned that Attorney General William Barr actually made the ultimate decision in this case, adopting the recommendation of the U.S. Attorney's Office in Brooklyn. But lawyers in the Civil Rights Division actually had a different view of the Eric Garner case and believe charges could have been pursued. That's according to 2 senior officials with the Department of Justice. Daniel Pantaleo's disciplinary trial was held last month. The judge who oversaw those proceedings has not yet rendered her verdict. Once she does, Police Commissioner James O'Neill will have the final say as to whether or not Pantaleo will stay with the NYPD. For now, we're live in downtown Brooklyn. TRACIE STRAHAN, News 4 New York.
All right, TRACIE, thank you for that overview.